First of all, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
To the point of view, again, I have called today one new friend on this stage, and today I am to discuss with this boy some cultural insights from the book of 10th class, and also some parts of the grammatical distinct related I have to discuss with this boy. I think what I will ask and what things I will say of this boy for describing, he will describe to very well because this my expect studying. Then now I am going the way of this boy and I have to ask to you, okay? Then first you tell to me what is your real name?
My real name is Rohit Kumar.
Okay, in which class do you read, Rohit?
I read in class 10.
Okay, you are reading in 10th class. Then have you completed to whole kinds of the syllabus of 10th class in English?
Yes.
Then would I ask of you any question?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, now I am going to ask of you any questions from the part of our first black books. Okay,
Yes.
that question you will have to listen carefully and you will have to answer to me exactly suitable. You will not have to speak like of agar magar. You will not have to mistake to anywhere. You will not have to fumble while answering the sentence of that question. Which question answer you will brought the front of me. Understanding? Okay. Be ready. Do you know about the story of Lentu?
Yes.
Okay. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? Who or what did Lencho have faith in? Yeah.
Yes, Lenzo have faith in God.
Okay, Lencho have faith in, but Lencho had faith in God.
Lenzo had faith in God.
Okay, Lencho had
Faith in God.
venerations, one God. Also, you can say Lencho had great adoration, one God. But adoration or veneration, both words have not given in your book. In your book, it has given faith. What has given?
Faith.
Great answer. But next, again, I am going to ask of you. Second question. Where did the ceremony take place? Where did the ceremony take place? Can you tell to me any public building in India
Yes.
that was made with sandstone?
Yes.
First, you will have to understand of this question and from which part of the chapter this question has been asked of you by me. Understanding?
Yes.
First, you tell to me
This
question.
question in Union Building in Victoria.
Oh, means Union Building in Pretoria. I am not asking of you that. I am asking you here in which chapter? In which
Nelson Mandela
chapter
chapter.
this question has come?
From Nelson Mandela chapter.
Okay, this question has come from the chapter of
Nelson Mandela.
Long Walk to Freedom, Nelson
Mandela.
Mandela. Great. Can you tell me any public building in India that was made with
Yes.
sandstone? Yeah.
Red
Yes.
Fort.
Red Fort
Yeah.
and
Qutub Minar.
Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal.
Yeah, Taj Mahal.
Okay, there are so
Also,
many
India
buildings in India. It has made with sandstone.
Sandstone.
Great. Now I am going to have a few next questions. Why did Seagull not fly? What had he problem? And from which kinds of the circumstance had he got in his life? Due to that, he was unable to fly in his daily life.
Because Seagull think that
Seagull thought.
Single thought that my wings are short and there was a vast
Sea.
vast sea. So looking of that Seagull
He was
upright.
demoralized.
Yeah,
He was discouraged. That's why he was unable to make his courage for flying.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Again, I am going to ask of you next question from the part of our footprints without feet books. Okay, have you read the chapter about of a twin for surgery?
Yes,
How many characters are coming in this story?
3 characters.
There are mainly 3 characters. Can you tell me each character name of that
Yeah.
story?
With one first Mr. Harriet
Yeah.
and second Mrs. Pamphret and third one dog. Dog name is Tricky.
What was the name of that dog? Tricky.
Tricky.
Great. Okay. Do you know who was Mr. Harriet in this story?
Mr. Harriet writer. Sorry.
Okay, let's answer to me like
And
this.
also one
Mr. Harriet was
one
a veterinary,
yeah.
understanding or not,
Author.
and also he was an author. Huh?
Yeah.
Great. Who was Mrs. Pemprey?
Honor of the dog. So Mrs. Pamphret.
Mrs. Pemprey was
Honor of the dog. And
mistress of Tricky. Great.
yeah. Also.
Now next question I am going to have to you. From which kinds of the disease, from which kinds of the things was Tricky suffering in his daily life? From which kinds of the things,
Yeah.
from which kinds of the disease was Tricky suffering in his daily life?
Malnutrition.
He was suffering from malnutrition.
Yeah, malnutrition.
Then actually he was thin, whether he was fat.
He was obviously fat
He
and
was very
his
hungry
arms
heart.
were red.
Okay, his chest was
Yeah.
loading down.
Yeah.
Great answer. But next one again I am going to ask of you. Why was Mrs. Pempre? Why was Mrs. Pempre worried about of Tricky? Why was Mrs. Pempre worried about of Tricky?
Because Mrs. Pamper loved so much Ricky, and Ricky was a lazy dog. He
Mrs. Pempre was worried about of Tricky because he was suffering from different kinds of the problem. As first problem, it was the front of Tricky. What was that? Malnutrition. He was very heavily fat. He was unable to move off his body with very quickly. It was a big and huge problem for Tricky. That's why Mrs. Pempre was worried about Tricky. Okay, what does she do to help him? What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this?
again
Again, I am having question to you. What does she do? Help him. What does she do? Help him. Means who is coming him in this story? You know? Yeah, who is coming?
Mr. Sorry, Mrs. Pamper.
Mrs. Pantry about not talking. Who? What does she do? Help him. Then is coming. What does she do? Help him. Which is coming the last of him.
Yeah.
Who is coming? Or who is there indicated?
Tricky, sir.
Tricky. Then what does she? She
She,
for
Mrs.
who?
Pamper.
Hey, Baba, she for who there is coming? She is coming. Who? Mrs. Pantry.
Yeah.
What does she do? Help him.
Sir, Mrs. Pamper give Tricky to build up cod liver he gave, and
Answer like this you try to have. Means she does, whether she helps him to giving off
cod liver,
cod liver, tonics,
milk,
and different kinds of the nutrition things.
yeah.
Who you give?
Mrs.
Mrs.
Pamper.
Pantry you give of drinking. Then next question again I am going to help you. Who was Anil?
Anil was one writer, magazine writer.
Anil was a writer.
Yeah.
Okay. Who was Harishi in this story?
Hari Singh is a thief, sir.
Okay, Harishi was a thief. But who is coming I in this story?
Hari
Who
Singh.
is coming I in this story? In the story of thief story.
Hari Singh, sir.
Harishi is coming
Yeah.
I.
Yes.
Right? And who was wanting to make friend with Anil?
Hari Singh.
Harishi was wanting to make friend with Anil. But which kinds of the strategy? Just Harishi took out in his mind. A little flattery is very helpful for making friend.
Yeah.
Who thought this kinds of the matter? Harishi thought of that little flattery is helpful for making friend with any person. If you have need, if you have requirement to make friend with someone, then just you start to admire, you start to recommendation to someone. Then sure, those person will be come the back of you. Understanding or no? Great. Now I am going to ask of you next question. Okay. I think a question of trust. This has been removed from your syllabus.
Yes.
From the part of
First
question of,
term syllabus removed.
from the first terminal examination, that question will not be asked. Okay. Take care. Hey, do you know about a forest assembly?
Horace Jandy.
Who was forest assembly?
Horace Jandy was a shoemaker, sir.
Shoemaker or log maker?
Yeah, lock maker.
Then what are you answering to Agar? It is not good. But you have need to practice for telling of all those question answer with correctly. You are muddled up while answering. You just you start to think inside of the mind what to say, not to say. When any question is gone to you, at that moment you will have to keep up your mind here and there. Now some of the students are enjoying in sitting in this bench. I am telling you all students, listen carefully. Actually, you are understanding about of reading or about of education. What you are understanding? Point. You don't understand about of education, that is your funny. If you understand about of education's life of funny, then really you will never become to success in your life. For getting great success, what all of you have need to do in this time? You will have to do a struggle. A struggle about many times I keep on telling the front of you, even if you are not understanding of that matter. One day you will feel to very bad. Which day success will not come to you, that day you will feel to very bad. And why success will not come? On account of this fasting. This fasting is not so well. Listen carefully whatever things I am having question to you all students. About that question you try to also meditate inside of the minds and you try to express the front of friends, the front of your teachers. If you have any kinds of the question inside of your mind, you can help to me. Exactly you can ask to me without keeping of any suspense inside of the heart, inside of the minds. You can have that kinds of the question the front of me, blatantly. Openly you can ask to me. Understanding? But sitting on the bench, you cannot very fast. Okay? Rohit, I am telling of you from the next time, again when I will call of you on the stage, at that moment you will have to come to be very carefree minds and you will have to discuss with very nice. With very friends you will have to interview. Okay? Okay, let's do go on a place. But